got an engine here for Crown Concept. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of bar heads on it. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. It's got the Pro-Am manifold, Holley throttle body, obviously Holley ECU, brake system. Got the front end on it. Make sure the alternator charges and everything. Front sump oil pan. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 497 foot-pounds of torque, peak score 521, peak horsepower 517, so the front end on it, really good. So we'll get off there, get a crate, come your way. Have a great day.